one of the things that has always struck me is so often the work that we do at the state attorney's office, we meet families and victims at often the lowest points in their lives, often after they have experienced something absolutely tragic, unforeseeable. And then they find themselves in the middle of a very foreign process, that is the criminal justice system, and trying to navigate it and discern and understand the various acronyms we use, the different process points that are in the criminal justice system. And so it's our obligation and their right that we explain the process to them. You know, we've spent most of our time working internally, making sure that our lawyers are briefed and understand the law, making sure that our communications are consistent with what's required of Marsy's law, making sure that our public records department and division is trained on Marsy's law and now the confidentiality provisions implemented as a result of Marsy's law. So most of our work has really been done internally. So like everybody, we've had to evolve and adjust. When court was remote and up on Zoom, and we too were remote and working from home. We weren't having in-person discussions or meetings with crime victims, but crime was still occurring and people were still being victimized. So we had to find alternative means to communicate and meet with our victims. So we've become experts at Zoom conferencing and virtual meetings. We also have alerted all of our educated our crime victims of the e-notification registry system so that they can be notified and alerted to changing court dates. And certainly in COVID, court schedules became very dynamic. So for victims who are interested in the status of their cases, it was very important that they have a system available to them that would notify them of a change in a court date.